I am Sheikh Mahbub Basha. Welcome to my channel. Happy learning.
Two trains, each of having a speed of 30 km per hour, are headed at each other in opposite direction on the same track. A bird flies off one train to another with a constant speed of 60 km per hour. When they are 60 km apart, till before they crash. Find the distance covered by the bird and how many trips the bird can make from one train to the other before they crash. So, let it be one train. Let me call this as A, and it is moving with a speed 30 kilometer per hour, and there is another train, let me call this as B. It is also moving with the same speed 30 kilometer per hour but in opposite direction. These two trains are separated by a distance 60 kilometer. At this moment, here a bird starts flying from one train towards the other train. When this bird reaches the other train, it turns back and move towards the other train. So like that, when it reaches the train, it will turn back and move to the other train. Like that, it is oscillating in between these two trains. Now, our aim is to find that this bird will make how many trips before these two trains crash, and also the total distance traveled by the bird. Now, the speed of the bird is given as 60 kilometer per hour, right? Now, this train is moving with a speed 30 km per hour, and this one is also moving with a speed 30 km per hour. So this distance total is 60 km. After 1 hour, after 1 hour, at this point C, these two trains will meet. So the two trains will meet at the center. A, B will meet exactly at the midpoint. The distance is 60 km. After 1 hour, it will be covering 30 km, and in the same 1 hour, this will be covering 30 kilometers. So they will meet, they will crash exactly at the middle of these two trains. Now, this bird starts from this train and moving towards this train. Meanwhile, this train might have came a bit towards this bird. So when it reaches, this bird takes a return journey and moves towards this train. By that time, this train might have reached this point. So now this bird takes a backward direction. Now this train is somewhere here. So like that, it oscillates and it takes number many. In fact, it is infinity turns. So the bird makes infinite trips between the two trains before they crash. Right. Now, we want the total distance traveled by this bird by the time these two trains crash. The relative velocity of bird with respect to any train is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. 60 and 30 in the opposite direction. 60 minus minus 30, that is equal to 90 kilometer per hour. So distance traveled by bird is equal to speed into time, that is equal to 90 kilometer per hour into 1 hour, that is equal to 90 kilometers. So this bird takes a total journey of 90 kilometers before these two trains crash. So the number of trips, the first answer is infinite, and the second answer, the total distance traveled by this bird is, the second answer is 90 kilometers. So this is first answer, this is second answer. Number of turns is infinity, total distance traveled is 90 kilometers. Okay, right.